Hello, first grade. Let's go ahead and review our vocabulary words for this week. Our first vocabulary word is base 10 blocks. Our base 10 blocks, if you remember, we have 3 different kinds. You guys have been working with 2. We have our hundreds block, our 10 longs, and our ones. Yeah, we have worked with the tens blocks and the ones block. Base 10. Our next one is ones. Our ones is the smallest block that we have. It's super tiny. In the number 47, we're going to look at the last digit, and it's the number 7. So that means that we have 7 ones. Next we have tens. Tens is these 10 long blocks. And in the number 47, we can see that the first number is a 4. So that means we have 4 tens. Next we have standard form. Standard form is what we always see. It is the digit form of a number. So right here we can see that it's 247. This is the standard form. Expanded form. Expanded form is when we take apart the number. So for example, 247, we broke it up into 200 plus 40 plus 7. Or with our base 10 blocks, 200s plus 4 tens and plus 7 ones. So we broke it up into 3 different sections. Our hundreds, our tens, and our ones. Place value. This is our place value chart. In our place value chart, we have 2 sections. We have our tens and our ones. So right here, we have 4 and 7 for the number 47. So we know that there's 4 tens, so there's 4 10 longs drawn, and then there's 7 ones. So we put 7 ones right here in our place value chart. Next we have represent. Represent is when we're able to use our greater than, less than, or equal to sign in order to represent a number sentence or a word problem. Represent. Greater than. Greater than, this is the symbol for greater than. It goes this way, so like this. And greater than is used to represent what number or object has more, which has the most amount. So right here we have 5 apples and 3 oranges. So the number of apples is greater than the number of oranges, since we have more apples. Next we have less than. Less than is going to be this way, so this way. Less than is to represent what number or object has the least amount. So in this picture, we have 2 apples and 5 oranges. So the number of apples is less than the number of oranges, since we have less amount of apples. We have fewer. Our last vocabulary word is equal to. Equal to is when we have the same amount. So we have the same amount of apples and the same amount of oranges. So equal to means the same amount. That is our vocabulary for this week, guys. So go ahead and review this every day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.